What are the types of cranial fossa? The cranial fossae are divided into three regions: anterior cranial fossa, middle cranial fossa, posterior cranial fossa. Each fossa contains specific anatomical landmarks, and accommodates distinct brain structures. We will discuss them, one by one. Number 1. Anterior cranial fossa. It is the most shallow and anterior part of the cranial base. Bones involved in anterior cranial fossa: frontal bone, ethmoid bone, lesser wings of the sphenoid. Boundaries of anterior cranial fossa. Its anterior boundary is formed by the frontal bone. Its posterior boundary is formed by the sphenoid ridge and anterior clinoid processes. Number 2. Middle cranial fossa. It lies deeper and more centrally, posterior to the anterior cranial fossa. Bones involved in formation of middle cranial fossa: sphenoid bone, its body and greater wings; temporal bones, its petrous part; parietal bones are involved, partially. Boundaries of middle cranial fossa. Its anterior boundary is formed by the sphenoid ridge. Its posterior boundary is formed by the petrous ridge of the temporal bone. Number 3. Posterior cranial fossa. It is the deepest and most posterior part of the cranial cavity. Bones involved in formation of posterior cranial fossa: occipital bone, temporal bones, its mastoid part, and petrous parts; parietal bones are involved, partially. Boundaries of posterior cranial fossa. Its anterior boundary is formed by the petrous ridges. Its posterior boundary is formed by the occipital bone.